It starts as a small itch, easy to ignore, but it quickly becomes a sharp, persistent pain. Soon, a dark spot appears under your skin, usually on your feet or hands. This is the jigger flea, burrowing in to lay eggs. The pain can make walking or even resting difficult. Many feel embarrassed by the sores, hiding their feet or hands and avoiding daily life. Jigger infestations are more than a nuisance. They're a serious medical problem. Myths and misinformation often make things worse, leading to harmful attempts at removal. But knowledge is power. Understanding the jigger's life cycle and effects is the first step to relief. There is a safe, medically correct way to remove jiggers. You don't have to suffer or use dangerous methods. This guide will show you how to handle jiggers safely, using clean, simple tools. By following these steps, you can remove the jigger, help your wound heal, and prevent infection. Protect yourself and your family from the pain and complications caused by these tiny pests. Let's learn how to take control and find relief. When in pain, many try to squeeze the jigger out, like a pimple. This is dangerous. Squeezing can burst the egg sac, spreading eggs and causing severe infection. Using dirty tools, pins, thorns, razors, pushes bacteria into your skin, risking tetanus and deep infections. These mistakes can turn a small problem into a medical emergency. Ripping or digging at the jigger damages healthy skin, creating bigger wounds and more pain. You might leave parts of the jigger behind, causing ongoing inflammation. The key is not speed, but safety. Avoid squeezing and always use clean, sterile tools. A calm, careful approach is the only way to heal safely. Start by washing your hands and the affected area with soap and water. Apply antiseptic to the skin around the jigger. Use a sterile needle or blade, never a dirty or shared tool. If you must sterilize a needle, heat it until red hot, then let it cool. Gently pierce the skin next to the jigger's opening to widen it slightly. Carefully loosen the jigger with the needle, aiming to remove it whole with the egg sac intact. Be patient and gentle. Don't dig or force it. Lift the jigger out completely. It should look like a small whitish ball. Check the wound for any leftover parts and gently remove them if needed. Do not dig deep. If you can't remove everything, seek medical help. Once the jigger is out, the hardest part is over. Safe removal prevents further pain and infection. Now, let's focus on wound care. After removal, you're left with an open wound, an entry point for bacteria. Clean the wound with soap and water or saline. Apply antiseptic ointment or petroleum jelly to help healing. Cover with a clean bandage or sterile gauze to protect from dirt and pressure. Change the dressing daily or if it gets wet or dirty. Watch for signs of infection, spreading redness, swelling, worsening pain, or pus. If you see these signs, seek medical help immediately. Keep the area clean and dry as it heals. Wear clean socks and shoes if the wound is on your foot. Proper aftercare is as important as safe removal. The best solution is prevention. Jiggers thrive in dry, dusty soil, especially in homes with dirt floors. Wear closed shoes and keep your living space clean. Sweep floors, sprinkle water to reduce dust, and seal cracks where fleas hide. Wash feet and hands daily, especially after being outside. Community cleanups and treating pets for fleas help protect everyone. Share this knowledge. Prevention and safe removal protect your family and community. With the right steps, you can keep jiggers away for good.